Hi guys! Naami diri sa Kalibunan, Manimpuwak. Hi mga kabisdak! Today is Sunday. Kuha nating paniod to, ting hab-hab na po. Nigawas akong bana. Ako siyang gihanggat din hinga mukaon sa gawas na. Kaya, tsada karon kay dili kayo init ba? Hangin. Di gini mabiyaan ang iyahang racing. Kay adik man gud ni siya sa racing. Mao na iyang kabisihan permanente kada Sunday. O dili siya kada Sunday. Basta every time na naay racing, mananaog na siya bisag alas 6 sa buntag, mamatay na siya og sayo. Mao ni atong paniod to karon. Pizza lang sa takaron kay wala dili man kay kugutom. So duha lang ka slice na pizza, gagmay siya na slice, and actually leftover ni siya tong Huwebes kay every Thursday guys ang akong asawa or akong bana ba siya man may mag-grocery shop every Thursday. Schedule na gyud na siya, and every Friday manlaba pud siya. So kada Thursday na ami cheat meal ba. Bali pwede mo mukaon og mga pizza nga na, pero sa usual days gyud na mo ang among kaunon kanang mga healthy, maka-healthy man gud ni akong asawa or ang akong bana. So kada gabi yun na vegetable salad, like na carrots, spinach, onions, kamatis, pepper, cucumber, and walnuts, and then egg. Usahay og makapalit mig avocado among butangan. Basta namurag na siya 8 ka klase nga vegetable salad every night na siya guys, except Thursday. So Thursday lang ang aming cheat day. Mga una ta guys. And napug ko'y tubig. Tubig is water. And chippy, snack. So yun pa sa akong bana, boring ko no kay kong vlog yang gitanaw. Masya kasabot. Makaon sa ako guys. Unya na pod. Manang itsura sa among gawas guys. Among front porch. Na siya nga plants na kamatis na siya. Ganahan ko din tambay sa gawas kay hangin ba. Basta nung init siya pero hangin man. Ano siya. Among grill. Dari may nagpuyo sa agong lasang. Unya kay mag-walking man mi guys. Ipa kita tamo kung unsa itsura din sa among lugar. Murag kuan uy. Murag bukid ba? Which is I like naman. Ay hilom ba? Walay sasaw. Asa ka nigikan among iring oh? Where have you been? Where have you been, baby girl? Naglao-lao na pud ka? Kagikan, nangita kag uyab ni mo no? Init kaayo niya, naglakaw-lakaw ka? Kagikan, huy. Ay, di pa kasabot guys, English na siya. Where have you been, baby girl? Muban ka sa amo, maadto mi sa lasang. Our baby girl guys, that's our kitty. Among earring. Palangga kayo na namo. Hi guys, magbaklay-baklay usa mi. Pahilis sa gikaon ba. Hi sad.
Where's the baby girl?
She's right under the car, the Nissan. Magsuroy-suroy sa amin sa kalasangan. Yan ang asawa ko, si Jimmy Rudy. Pag-hi food.
Hola.
Kamusta?
Bien.
Tell them kamusta?
Kmzta?
Gwapa ko. Gwapa ko dili.
Mucho guapo.
Okay. Nabi din guys padulong sa likod sa among property ba. Iyang property di ay. Pero minti man niya iingon nga amo alaw ko no kay since nagpakasal na ko no may kung unsa ko na inaasa iya amo na ko tanan, pero iya gyapon ni siya may nagpalit. Anyway, dito may padulong may sa likod sa property, and wala pa mong ko nakaanhidanhi. So iya kong subayan kung asa dapat ang line, kung asa dapat ang among luna ba. Is there a snake in here, dear?
Huh?
Is there a snake in here?
I don't know. I have never seen it. But there could be.
Nice and cool in here.
Yeah, in the shade.
Look at the shape of that tree.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah.
it's S.
But it's a healthy tree. It's a tamarack.
Oh, that's the tamarack.
You can tell because it's got the little tiny needles and the way the branches are.
Pwede ta malibang diri guys, kaya walay tao. Malibang, pero dito sa atubangan sa pangbalay, mangihi ba ako dito sa gawas. Sayang lang ba? Wala lang, trip lang. Kung banana, nagdadala og pusil kay basin og naay bear ba.
Now we're going off the road.
I hope we can see the dude's body here.
No, we're not gonna find it. Don't be silly.
Who used to be the owner of this property? It was Clay, right?
Yeah, for a while, yeah, and Buterac before that.
So Beauty Rock is the main owner before Clay bought it.
Yeah. It was in the Buterac family. See, there's a dead tree right there. Oh, I got a thing on it already.
Oh, the one with the yellow ribbon, orange?
The orange ribbon, yeah.
Too bad we can't plant some corn here. It's gonna be a big cornfield, wide cornfield.
First, you have to take all the trees out for you to have a cornfield.
Yeah, but the soil here is not
Not very
for
good.
yeah, not for the plants. Naamis Kalibunan guys, mangahoy mi. Dili bitaw mi mangahoy kay nangita mi og mga dead trees para among isugnod. Oh, pangahoy na gyud.
Huh?
No, I'm just murmuring. Isugnod ba para sa winter para maka-save og kuan. Kay paliton manggod na dinhi ang isungnod. Karon nagsuroy-suroy mi dinhi sa iyang property kay mangita mi og mga patay na nga kahoy ba. Kaya aron ihang gabasun. May gani nagkarsonis ko, anya nagbutas. Sakto gyud akong bana dapat magbutas ko.
Oh, that's something bent over.
Oh yeah.
Or this.
Yeah, you need to look at the tree.
It's hard to get at it. Yeah, that one's not going to make it through another year. That one's dying from the bottom up.
Until where is the property line here? Like,
Well, the property line runs that way. It's
so you
over
have to
there.
go over there too?
Well, this is our property.
Well, we're
The
not going.
property lines run on angle. So, did you see the fence where we walked?
Yeah, I did.
Well, that line is the property line. If we go that way, we'll run into a property line.
Well, we're not going there, right?
Well, we are. I'm just looking around. See, now here there's that dead one right there. That's a nice big-
Where? Oh yeah, that's a nice.
It's not on the ground, so it's good wood yet. Good
Yeah,
firewood.
That's
But
a nice
it's hard
chunk.
to get at. How the hell are you going to get at it? How are you going to get in there to get it? All right, let's go back to the property line.
I think I hear a turkey. Oh, there's another one here, dear.
Yeah, there's a lot of them laying down.
Yeah, maybe if we. Yeah, I got you on record. He farted. Nangotot. Kumbana,
You
nangotot.
gotta edit that. Across the creek there, there's a road.
Where is this gonna end?
You'll see. Come on.
I'm afraid there's a hole here and we're gonna be both in the hole. Sa muka niya akong asawa, uy. Giuban-uban, manggig ko din, he.
they're impossible to get back here. How are you going to get them?
Yeah, and how you're gonna carry him?
You don't want the ones that are laying on the ground because they're no good.
Guys, naami diri sa Kalibunan, manimpuwak. Dili bitaw kay mga huy mi kay para sugnod ba sa kuan. Para sa winter nangita mi og dead trees. Pero ang tinuod, iyara kong gisuroy diri sa property line para makabalo ko kung asa ratama ng among property or ang ihang property. So, pauwi na mi guys, pauli na mi. Watch out for...
Slow down.
Oh, I can see already. We're almost there. Oh, this looks like a new tree.
Yeah, it is. See? You can see the pump house already.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're home. We're home. Nakabalik na mi guys. Mga na mong pump house. Onya. Woodshed. Guys. Kung di na ka makakaya, bitaw kalibangon na kay ka. Pwede ka malibang diha kay kuan man na siya toilet para sa gawas. Para na mga party-party ba diha ra mag CR. Gibutang na ni gym din ha. Nakaabot ra gyud mi sa among payag. Gikapoy kog sugok-sugok sa Kalibunan oy. We're home. Mao nang itsura guys sa among balay. Simple lang. Dito may nagsugok-sugok ko. Dito, anya dito, pasulod. Ay, gikapay ang akong mga balatang. Sulod ng ta guys, kay grabe ka init. Diri may permanente magstay sa akong banana. Mo na yung chair, ako anong chair. Every night. Oh no, not every night. Usayra ka nang magtanaw mi sa stars ba. Dag alas 12 na sa kadlawon. Di mi maglingkod.